Can we colonize Mars with AI robots? Come along as we navigate the possibilities and challenges of this exciting idea. In recent years, the idea of human colonization on Mars has gained a lot of attention. Space agencies and private companies like SpaceX are actively working on plans to send humans to the Red Planet. But have you ever wondered about using AI robots to help us out there? We've already seen the incredible success of AI-powered robots on Mars. NASA's rovers, like Opportunity and Curiosity, have been our eyes and hands on the Martian surface. They do things like running experiments, examine pieces of Martian dirt, and capturing stunning pictures, which they send back to us on Earth. These robots are made tough to survive on Mars, where things can be really tough. Imagine it's super cold sometimes, then really hot at other times. There are also big storms with lots of dust flying around, and even radiation, which is not good for robots or people. Now here's the interesting part. These robots can do things on their own. We don't have to tell them what to do all the time because it takes a very long time for our instructions to reach Mars from Earth. So they're like smart travelers who can make their own decisions while they're on Mars. Having these AI robots on Mars is incredibly important for our exploration. They can work all day and night without getting tired, and they're great at dealing with unexpected situations. So they're a big help in our mission to understand Mars better. So, can these smart robots help us live on Mars? Let's check it out. Building infrastructure. These robots can act as builders on Mars. They can construct houses where people can live, set up solar farms to get electricity from the sun, and create all the things we need to live there comfortably. So, they can be considered Martian construction workers, making it possible for us to live on the planet. Resource gathering. These robots can dig and gather important resources on Mars. One of the most crucial resources they can find is ice. Ice has been discovered in several places on Mars, like near the poles and under the ground. This ice is really valuable because it can be turned into water that people can drink and use for lots of important things. Plus, ice can give us hydrogen and oxygen, which we need to make rocket fuel. Having these resources is super important because they help us survive on Mars and make it easier for people to travel there and live on the planet in the future. Environmental control. These robots can make sure that the inside of buildings on Mars is just right for people. They can keep it at the right temperature, make sure the air is clean to breathe, and protect us from harmful space radiation. So they can act as the caretakers of our Mars homes, making sure we're safe and comfortable. Exploring and studying Mars. These robots can act as scientists on Mars. They can use special tools to look at rocks, soil, and the air to learn about the planet. They could try to solve the mysteries of Mars, like whether it could have or might still have life. These robots can search for signs of life, like microorganisms, by looking for certain chemicals or patterns in the soil or rocks. Nevertheless, the idea of AI robots on Mars opens up exciting possibilities. They could lay the groundwork for human colonization by preparing the terrain, ensuring vital resources, and maintaining a safe environment. So, can we colonize Mars with AI robots? While it's a complex and evolving idea, it's clear that AI robots will be our pioneers, helping us take the first steps toward making Mars our second home. To stay updated, please click the bell icon to receive notifications. And, of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.